Hello, welcome to Mr. Pop-up Design Agency. I want to share this new SMTP mailer that I just built. Let's go to the login. That's that.go. Password. Now this is the mailer. So we have email tools, we have SMS tools. Here we have our email campaign, we have our email validator, we have email sorter, we have templates, which I'm going to explain, we have subjects, we have rotating library. Here we have our WhatsApp campaign, we have WhatsApp number validator, we have SMS campaign, we have SMTP to SMS, and we have carrier detector. So this is all in one tools. Here we have our lead extractor, email extractor from CSV file, and we have phone number extractor. Under here we have SMTP infrastructure, so you can have multiple SMTP. We have WhatsApp API settings, we have SMS settings. Under this SMS setting, we have Twilio, Telnix, Zoho, Pivlo. And for the carrier this in detection, we have verify API. Under here we have proxy list. So now let's start with the lead extractor. So under the lead extractor, so let's upload the leads. This is a lead. It automatically detects the columns. So it's loading. Now it's already loaded. So now it said column 1 we have business email, which is where we're going to copy our emails. Column 2, it detects where the column 3 is, where we have the first name. Column 4, and you can also select the column that you want to extract, so it's very easy. So now let's extract the leads. Now as you can see, we have the leads here. We have 12,449 leads. You can copy all. Then we can have it on our this, and then we can put it on our notepad. So now let's extract phone number from the same leads. Oh, sorry, let me upload the leads. Detect columns and preview. So under here, contact ID, it detects contact ID, but that is not where the phone number is. We have office phone here. So click on the office phone, that is the column 5. It automatically detected the first name, which is column 3. The first name, which is column 3, and while the last name is on column 4. So if you click extract, so it has already extracted the phone number as well. So let's save that as well. Now under here we have under the email tools, we have email validator. So you can use proxy if your IP is not good. So here now we have all provider or Office 365 only. If you click on all providers, it's going to detect Office 365 emails, and it will also detect other emails and the bad emails. So now here let's copy some leads. And the main reason why I like my leads to have first name and last name, because there is something amazing that I add to the script that when you want to send, you can send a personalized message for all your recipients. So that's why I have it like this. Let's just copy some few leads. So let me go to the top. Let us copy some few leads. Let's copy some few leads. Let's paste it here and let's scan it. So on here you can upload 50k emails, 100k emails, but it really takes time to validate. So it's going to help your SMTP to deliver to your inbox, because some emails are bad, and which is a bad reputation for your SMTP. So it's loading. Let it load. We have 30 emails, so I think before that validator's finish, let's open another tab. Let's open another tab. My network is kind of bad. So under here we have email sorter. So if I paste all the leads here, it's going to sort. So if I paste all the leads here, it's going to sort Gmail, sort Yahoo and stuff for you, and other. So click on sort. Now we don't have any Yahoo mail, but we have Gmail. We have 5,633 Gmails. We have Hotmail 2007. We have AOL. We have iCloud. We have other emails. Most of all these other emails, they are Yahoo and other stuff. So that is the email sorter. That is how that works. So let's check our leads extractor again. I think the network is not kind of good. So now we have our rotating library. This rotating library, now these are formats, maybe your content, your campaign content. You see here we have first name and last name. So this first name is going to be this is the first name, and comma the last name. So it's going to automatically take the leads first name and the last name. So that is how that works. You can add new one, and you can leave, and you can also leave the one that so you can add new one. You can edit the one on the this thing. So here we have subjects. This is also a rotating subjects. So we have subjects here. So you can have any subject that you want. So here we have templates. So this is our HTML template, maybe for Office 365 or any other template. So you can paste your letter here exactly. So you can paste your letter here. You can see this is Office 365. So you can paste your letter here, and you can send. So when we come to email campaign, so on our email campaign here, you can select the throttling. So how many emails you want to be sending per minute. You see we have 60 emails per minute, steady. We have save, which is 30 emails per minute. We have 10 emails per minute. We have 2 emails per minute, depending on how strong or the protocol of your SMTP. So that is that. Here we have SMTP selection mode. You can choose automatic rotation, good, and we have pin to specific SMTP. So here you can select any SMTP that you want. So that is how that one works. But let us stick with the automatic. Here we have our load template section. If you click on this, automatically load the Office 365 letter, which you can also edit the template to your own satisfaction. Here we have another what is it called, template. Here we have another template. Just any template that you want, you can edit it, and you can select any template that you want. So these are the template that we have, you see. So that is about templates. That is if you want to send Office 365 leads. So now the rotating subject that we talked about earlier on, maybe you want to send normal format. Here click on rotate active subject from database. We have 15 active. Here for the templates, you can select this as well. So it's not going to use this, it's going to use what we have on our rotatory library. So that is how that works. So now let's set the SMTP. Now I did not put, okay, let me just reload so that you guys can understand. Let me check my, why is this not working? Cancel scan. No, I think it's already validated one of its services. Let us start the scan again. Maybe my IP is blocked or something like that. So now here, let us reload. So now I don't want to send Office365 mail or something like that. I can just do here and click on this, and now let me find one email to receive this this email. Login. I don't even know the passwords. Let me reload. Let's log in again. So the email is empty. Let's, why this thing is stopped. I think one email is not good there. Let's, okay, I'm going to do that later. So now this is my email, the first name or last name, demo. So now you can see that I did not paste any this thing leads this format and subject, since I've already clicked on the rotate and stuff. So now here, let's launch the campaign. So you can fail to start bash. What is happening with my form? Now it has got on. I think my network is having issue. So now you can see it is here. So you can see email format, that's what I use as the name, and automatically it is embedded inside. So for confirmation, you can see. So, and I can also change the name for demo. So you can see now this is a different this thing from what is it called, subjects and content. So here I can have another. Now when I launch it again, it should show different one. You see, so it is rotating, so, and which helps your SMTP. And now let me go back to this verifier, and I don't know why it's not working. Validator network. Let me copy quickly. This one I just Gmail. Now start scan 11. Let me see. I don't think there is any error. but my IP is blocked because I did not use okay, it's working. So earlier on, I think my network was not stable, but if you have RDP, it's very cool. So this is so it has already started validating the emails. So like this, you can set good emails without spoiling your SMTP. So let us keep that. The network is not strong. So now here we have WhatsApp campaign. So the WhatsApp campaign here, I think my number is there. So if you want to send WhatsApp campaign, this is how we send the WhatsApp campaign, and you just say hello. So if your list has this first name and last name, but if it does not have, you don't need this. You just say hello, first name, and how are you, last name. So automatically it's copy the first name here and put the last name as well. So when you click on send, it's use API and delivered. You see, this is my phone number and it has delivered already. So now let us check the WhatsApp number validator. This is a WhatsApp number validator. So you can paste your list without first name and last name, while you can also paste your list with first name and last name. Right now, this is my phone number, and I'm going to copy some phone number here to any phone number that is registered on WhatsApp will also be verified. But I don't think I really have some good phone number. I think these are just office number. I just had that, and let's start verifying. So it will scan it. It will tell you which phone number is active. So this one red is not active, while this one is active on WhatsApp. That is how it works. Then you can copy everything. You can copy the number. You can see. So that's how the WhatsApp validates. So you first validate the WhatsApp before you'll be able to validate. Now here we have the WhatsApp settings. So under this WhatsApp settings, we have a lot of API. We have WAPI API.cloud, and we have WhatsApp API. WhatsApp API is cheap, so you can get for $6 monthly, and this is the API here. This is the API page, so where you will add your WhatsApp, and they will give you a token. So that token is what we will have here. So that token is what we will put here, and that's it. That's how you use this thing. And here we have SMS API. So SMS API, now we have Twilio, we have Telnix, we have Zoho, and we have Preview. Here we have our proxy list. So if you don't want to be having this kind of issue that maybe you have used your IP to verify too much email, and your IP is blocked, and you need to get to work, you add your proxy. So when you add your proxy, the port, the user pass and IP port stuff, then you save it. So here this is bulk import. Here this is single proxy to import. So you can select the type, either is SOC 5, SOC 4, or HTTP. So that is how that one works. Here we have our SMTP infrastructure. You can add many SMTP you want, and you can also select if you want it to be added to the active rotation. So that is how it works. And we have SMTP to SMS. This SMTP to SMS, so it only work for number like Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, Sprint, Virgin Mobile, and other stuff. So now you put the number, you put your phone number here, and you can also use the tag like the these are the placeholder, the first name and the last name inside your message body. You see, so you can copy this, paste it, and now it will use your SMTP to send to US phone number, that is SMTP to SMS. So that is that. And we have carrier detector. Maybe you want to send message to phone number using the SMS, either the SMS campaign or SMTP to SMS. You paste all your phone number here with either with first name and last name, then it will automatically detect which one is this thing there, which one is this thing, and it will automatically detect the carrier for you. Automatically detect the carrier. Let me look for a US phone number. I don't have a US phone number here. Shit. I don't have a US phone number. I think I have phone number somewhere. So let's say, for example, this. You see, paste it. So it didn't work because we have not added this thing there. We have not added because we have not added this in the SMTP. So sorry, because we have not added API. We have not added API because we have not added API. So here is the API, SMS settings. So SMS settings to verify. So that is how it works. So if you need these tools, contact me, and we are still working on it. We are still adding more tools. So I just want everything to be here. So everything we need for sending our campaigns, I just want it to be here, you know. So that is it. So if you need this, call me. And this email tools, this template is for people that want to send HTML message, maybe like letter, Office 365 letter and all. So you can put your link, design it the way you want, put your HTML, this thing, put your HTML letter. If you click on this, you can delete this, paste your letter, then save it. Then it's going to work. So thank you very much for trusting Mr. Paul. I'll be waiting for your orders. Thank you.